Our today's topic is about customer management. We have two type of customer, accounts and contacts. Accounts we use for companies and organizations like Microsoft, IBM, Cisco, TCS. Contacts we use for the names like Jack, John, Ram. An account can have multiple contacts, but a contact can be associated with only one account if required. In this chapter, we'll talk much about how to handle contacts, accounts, and various different operations that we can perform on these customer types. We will also talk about organization chart in context of customer. Let's jump to demo and see how things move. We have logged into Sales Hub. We'll click on accounts and I can see my active accounts, means account which is assigned to me. I can see all accounts from here if I have permission to see account of others. Let me create a new account. Let's say is Innovate Global. Phone number X, website. These are quite smart fields. If you notice carefully, when I type my website address, it show me a global icon over here. If I click on this icon, it will open my website. We'll talk about parent account later on. Let's move to address. Let's say Microsoft Way, Vermont. And see carefully, it also have Bing map support by default. Get directions. Okay. In case Bing map is not available to you, you can do one thing. Go to advanced settings. System admin. System settings. In general, you will see enable Bing map. Yes or no. We'll talk about more fields later on. Please also notice there are few fields on top of this form. You can fill from here. You can see there are many fields on the form. You can remove the field which is not required as per business need. You can also add more fields as per business requirement. Let me save this account. Okay, let's move to contacts now. New contact. Please note in this symbol, small red star means the field is mandatory. Small blue star means is recommended. Save. First name is Alan, which is optional. Last name Jackson, which is mandatory. You can modify this behavior with the help of customization. As of now, this contact is not associated with any account. In case you want to associate this contact with some account, you can do from here. For example, let me add a few more contacts. You can see this contact Alex, Ellen, Ben is under Bizinovate. Let me go to accounts pack. Click on related contacts. You will see all names over here. You can also add contact form here itself. New contact. See the account name is pre-filled. So we learned so far how to create account and how to create contacts. As I mentioned earlier, an account can have multiple contacts, but a contact can only be associated with single account. Let's see some more operations on contact and accounts. For example, if I have this account, I can deactivate from here. Deactivate means I can also reactivate later on. I can delete the account, but it is irreversible, means you cannot call back again if you have done deletion. So you have to think carefully whether you have to deactivate or delete. We also have option of merge. Let's say these are two companies are now they're doing merger. So what we can do, click both the accounts, click on merge. You have to decide which you want to keep and which you want to discard. Let's example, we want to keep Northwind Traders and we want to discard Trade Research. But in case of combination, we want to keep the fax, phone number and ticker symbol of Trade Research. If I click on this one, so now we have Northern Traders under accounts, but Trade Research under inactive accounts. And the required fields are copied from Trade Research to Northwind Traders. Let's move to next topic. Open org chart. Org chart is the best way to visualize customer hierarchy. Let me add contacts in this chart. Okay. As per this hierarchy, Alan and Ali report to Alex. Let me explore for more options like set assistant. So Ben is assisting Ali now. In case I want to move in hierarchy, I can do from this chart itself. Now Ben assisting to Alex. Please notice this symbol very carefully. Add tag. So we can define over here decision maker, influencer, and blocker. By defining this tag decision maker, influencer, blocker, we can see the visual chart of an organization which can help us in business decision making. This chart is quite useful if you arrange it carefully. Click on this symbol. You can define various things over here as well. So I hope you got the basic idea about org charts. Let's assume we have a company, BusyNote Global. It have two small subsidiaries, BusyNote Asia and BusyNote Europe. We define parent company. If I go to accounts, I can see two companies, Biz Asia, Biz Europe under Biz Global. This way we learned how to make a company or account and how to make small subsidiaries in that account. So in this lecture we learned about contract management, account management and org chart. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will be happy to solve your queries further. Please mention in comment box or refer my website which I have given in description. Please subscribe to my channel to see such demonstrations. Thank you.